Did you know you can make a creamy, dreamy horchata coffee creamer at home with just a few simple ingredients? This easy recipe will transform your morning coffee into something truly special. Today, you'll learn how to whip up a delicious horchata coffee creamer that brings a touch of cinnamon sweetness and rich creaminess to every cup. Many store-bought creamers are packed with artificial flavors, preservatives, and loads of sugar. If you're looking for a healthier, homemade alternative, this recipe is the perfect solution. Here's what you'll need: rice milk or almond milk, sweetener of your choice, like honey or maple syrup, ground cinnamon, vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, optional, a splash of cream or coconut milk for extra richness. To make your horchata creamer, combine your milk, sweetener, cinnamon, vanilla, and salt in a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Taste and adjust sweetness or spice to your liking. For an ultra-creamy texture, add a splash of cream or coconut milk and blend again. Pour your homemade horchata creamer into your favorite coffee and watch as it swirls into a rich, velvety blend. The result is a naturally sweet, cinnamon-infused creamer that's both wholesome and delicious. Now you know how to make your own horchata coffee creamer. No artificial ingredients, just pure, dreamy flavor. It's a simple way to upgrade your coffee routine and treat yourself every morning. For another easy homemade upgrade, don't miss my video, Make Your Own Coconut Milk in Just 2 Easy Steps. It's a fresh, dairy-free option that pairs perfectly with your horchata coffee creamer.